Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Anusha. I'm currently in my first year of medicine at King's College London. And as you guessed from the title, today's another vlog. But first, coffee. So as the weather's great today, I thought let's make the most of it and get some work done outside. As you can see, great weather today. Ignore the construction in the background. But yeah, I'm hoping to get an hour's worth of work done before a patient scenario at 2, which should be interesting. I just haven't done one for ages. And then I'm going to do a bit of cooking, go out for a walk with my siblings before my last lecture, which is at 6. So a bit of a busy day today, but I'm looking forward to it. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I'd say that was quite a productive hour. I'm now going to go and make a tea and have a bit of a 10-15 minute break before my patient scenario at 2. So yeah, let's get to it. Wi-Fi issues, I'd love to see it. Okay, so last 2-hour patient scenario done for this year. It felt weird that it was online, but it was really helpful. But yeah, let me catch some of the sun while it's still left, and I'll see you guys later.
What do you have? What do you have? Always wear a mask, guys. Way.
It was buttons.
Cookies and cream, frappuccino. And we got Subway.
What did you get?
And so I got the flaming hot nachos and she got a sub.
Do you want to go into detail what it was?
It was like chipotle, garlic. Yeah.
Okay. So I made it back in time, just about. I'm going to get changed really quickly and then get ready for the second of a series of online anatomy casebook studies. The last one was on the respiratory system, and this one's going to be on the GI system, and the last one's going to be on the cardiovascular system. So the first one's been really interesting so far, looking forward to what this one's going to be like, and yeah, let's go. Don't think I forgot about my Subway either. They should just sponsor us by now, if you're seeing this. Also, I got these when I went out. They're really good. They should sponsor me too, to be honest.
Vulvarus, where the stomach is actually twisted So the outlet's completely gone and it's filled.
So that's the end of that session. It was really, really interesting. We got to see some gastrointestinal surgery, and the surgeon who performed it went through it with us and sort of guided us, which is really nice because you don't get many opportunities like that in first year, and especially during lockdown. So that was really valuable, and probably shouldn't have been eating while I was watching the surgery, but it was great. So we moved. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day. It's been quite a busy one in terms of the cooking. To be continued. My parents are going to be critiquing it, so honestly, could go either way. And I've actually got a picture of the food up here, unlike last time where we said to be continued and we just never showed it. If you did like the video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below if you want to see any other types of vlogs or videos. And yeah, stay tuned.